Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to convert a paper bot in Option Alpha into a live bot. So here in Option Alpha, I'm over on the bot section, and these are all paper bots right now. And so let's say you wanted to clone this one, the trailing stop. So you just simply click on the bot that you're paper trading currently. So you can see up here, this is a paper trading bot. And to make it live, you simply go over here to this 3-dot menu and clone the bot. And from here, you can rename it, and then you can choose your account. And let's say you want to go live. You give it the allocation that you want. In this case, I'm just going to say $2,000. These exit or all these inputs right here should be the same as the paper bot. So just make sure that that's what you want. Click on clone, and then you go to your bot settings. And now you can see up here that this is a cloned bot. It says clone here. Again, you can change the name if you want to, but you're in your live account. And all you need to do then is just simply turn it on. And now you're ready to trade with your live bot in Option Alpha. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. In the meantime, trade wisely. Take care.